Hi, my name is Andrea. I am Managing Director of Alara-Lukagro. I would like to talk to you about testing of door properties. On the 4th of February, we were at the Fire Safety Laboratory of Effectis in Blijswijk, the Netherlands, to test a fire-resistant soundproof door using a single point lock. Alara-Lukagro is the first supplier in the Netherlands who already supplies doors with a CE certificate, and still we continue to test. Why do we do that? This is why. As of November 1st, 2019, it is mandatory to supply fire-resistant doors with CE marking in accordance with EN regulations. Alara-Lukagro is ready for this, and we already produce and deliver doors with CE marking. That means that all required tests were successfully completed and that the production of our doors takes place according to a documented factory production control system. But with the CE regulation, another issue pops up. The compliance certificate determines the varieties of a door that are allowed to be used in the CE compliant door set. Think of door dimensions, ironmongery, adding a window, or combining the door with other properties, such as an escape function, which is, by the way, also subject to CE marking. Each and every detail and each property required needs to be tested and certified. Assessments on a project basis by a notified body are no longer permitted. For Alara-Lukagro, this means that we keep on testing varieties on our doors in order to meet the demands of our customers within current and future legislation. That is why we continue to test our special doors. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our specialists are ready to be of your assistance.